Hello Nev's fam, this is Neve from Nev's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I do when I do my everyday makeup routine. It is called everyday, but I don't do this every day. I do this very basic makeup like when I go maybe small outing, or sometimes if I feel like even if I'm going from day to night, and if I feel like doing it, I do it. So this is my basic makeup, and I do this like in 10 minutes or so. And you can always add products or you can not wear it. It's up to you guys. But this is my everyday makeup routine. And before I proceed, I really want to wish you a very happy new year, and may God give you whatever you want, all the happiness, best health. All my good wishes are with you. I hope you have a great year ahead. So let's get started. So I will start today with applying the primer, and normally if I'm going out during the daytime, I don't apply the primer. Instead I will apply a sunscreen, and then just wear my BB cream. But today I'm just going out for dinner with my husband, and it's evening time. So I'm just gonna wear primer instead of sunscreen. So nothing much. I'm just gonna wear this Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer. And I'm going to apply my BB cream, and this has a little sunscreen like SPF 20, which is okay, but I do like wearing this if I don't want to wear a foundation. And this one has a color. So this is my favorite Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and I'm in the color Sand. I don't think so they have many colors. I think 4 or 5, something like that. But this is not the full size, and this is like a, I think, I don't know if they call it deluxe sample, or I don't know, but this is not a full size. I got it from Nordstrom Rack, and because we don't end up using so much and they expire, so this size is much better. And I don't use any sponge or brush or anything. I just apply this with fingers. I just take a little bit first and then make few dots. So I'm just going to use a little bit powder only on my eyes. Like I said, I'm not going to set my face, and I'm going to apply the Body Shop pressed powder, and just a teeny bit. Because say after 1 hour or a little bit more, my eyes they start oiling, so my lid becomes oily. So that's why I'm just putting a little bit powder. So now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, which is necessary. I'm gonna use this NYX Sculpt and highlight. So I'm just gonna use the brow part. I'm not gonna highlight or do anything. So just the brow pencil. So one thing which I always put, whether it's a day, night, the only difference it would be the nighttime, it would be a little bit more, and daytime it will be, intensity would be less, which is highlight. I really like to highlight, and today I'm using this MAC highlight, and this is Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and the color is Double Gleam Glam, however you say it. So the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply some color on my lower lash line, and this I normally do, I would say, yeah, I do it I think most of the time. Whether I apply an eyeliner or not, sometimes I feel like apply an eyeliner, sometimes not. So but and especially if I'm not applying eyeliner, I will definitely apply something on my lower lash line so that they don't look like empty without any color. So just pick up any, basically any eyeshadow palette which has a dark color. So I'm picking up today the Lorac Pro and Lorac Pro 2, and I'm going to apply this color over here, and the color is plum, and I'm just going to mix some like a gray color with that. So now I'm going to apply the mascara. Like I said, I'm not applying any eyeliner. I just don't feel like. Sometimes I feel, so apply, sometimes I don't. So I'm going to apply this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. So the last makeup product would be the lipstick. That's for sure. So let's apply lipstick. So for my lipstick, I'm going to apply this one, and this is from Kiko Milano, and I'm going to go and apply like red, and this is a nighttime, so why not? This is my lipstick, and last but not the least, definitely I will spray any makeup setting spray. So I'm using, as you can see, MAC Prep and Prime. So guys, this is what I do for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment below and let me know, and please subscribe guys, it really means a lot to me. And please follow me all my social media, the links are down below, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell down there, otherwise how will you know that I uploaded a video? So please do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.